There's the sun just coming up there. Literally, 10 minutes late. Sun's just broken the horizon. Right. So let's get her in the water. Good morning guys, it's about 7:15. I was a bit late because the sun is already up. And if we look behind me there somewhere, the moon is just going down. But the weather report for today is supposed to be bloody amazing. So I've decided to bring out my boat. It's, well, there was a frost, so below 1 degree. But I've got all the gear on. I've got a warm drink. There is like no wind, and we're just gonna have a little splish splash around. So it should be good. And we're off. Good working yet. There's the sun just coming up. But it is going to be properly nice today. I have to deal with the age-old problem of thermos coffee. It's either too hot or stone cold. That's right. Oh, that's nearly as exciting as watching someone drink soup, isn't it? Oh, it's lovely. There's a fair old swell going on. I think I'm going to wrap it up there. Sun's up nicely. Running speed.